Wow, that was loud. Oh shit. Excuse the language, guys, but that kind of scared me. Wow, holy Toledo, that's crazy. Oh my god, what a bad thunderstorm and rainstorm. And now it's about to rain bad. Here comes the rain, ladies and gentlemen. It's thundering and raining here in Long Island, Smithtown. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, this is some crazy ass storm. Oh shoot, did you see that? Oh my god. Prepare to hear loudness, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready. Here it comes. There it goes. Wow, this is pretty crazy. This is pretty intense, guys. Oh shoot, baby, this is crazy. Diablo, papi. Woo, this is bad, but I like it. I love thunderstorms. This is a pretty intense thunderstorm, you guys. Wow. A beautiful sunshine day turns into a rainy thunderstorm day, and there you go. Oh my god. This is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Look how hard it's raining out here. Look at my pool. Wow, this is raining pretty hard. Jesus. Holy crap, man. This is crazy, guys. Now this is what I call a thunderstorm. Oh, wow. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. This is crazy. Woo, man. Ow. This is some pretty intense stuff, guys. This is some pretty intense stuff. This is pretty intense stuff, ladies and gents. I'm getting soaked and wet here in the rain, but that doesn't matter to me. This is some pretty intense stuff. And the thunder still continues to go on. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! 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 Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, this is crazy. I don't know about you, but this is nuts. The entire day was just beautiful. Sunny 81 degrees. Now it's humid, hot 85. Now it's rain and thunder. So I guess this is just all caused by heat. Wow. This is pretty intense, guys. This is pretty crazy. Pretty intense thunderstorm over here we got. Pretty intense thunderstorm we got going on around here. This is definitely like one of the baddest storms that we've had yet. Well, not baddest, but probably one of the loudest thunderstorms that we've had all year. I guess the thunder's gone. Oh, never mind. There you go. Wow. This is pretty intense. Uh-oh. I fell. I'm trying to sit down and I kind of fell, but it's all good. Good thing I didn't drop my camera. It would have sucked if I dropped my camera. Look how my pool is getting drenched. This is some pretty crazy stuff, guys. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. Uh-oh. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Holy crap! Oh! Snap! Whoa! Oh! Snap! Ah! Oh! Snap! Oh shit! This is crazy, guys! Oh my god! Wow! Woo! This is some crazy stuff! I'm glad I'm recording! Wow, ladies and gents! This is some pretty intense stuff. Hurricane season is about to start. Today is the first day, but there's no hurricanes to be in sight yet. Oh shoot! Yikes! That caught me off guard. My body jumped. My body just jumped when I heard that. It caught me off guard. I didn't expect that one to come here. That caught me off guard, guys. Whoa. Wow, this is crazy, guys. We're here in Long Island and we're filming I'm filming a thunderstorm. This is crazy. Whoa! Uh-oh, that's gonna be a loud one. Be careful. Be prepared, guys. Be prepared! Oh, shoot, man! Yikes! Oh, man! Diantre! This is crazy, guys. Holy crap, hola, man. Wow, what a storm we got going over here. Yikes, ladies and gents. Yikes. This is some crazy stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, this is some pretty intense stuff, guys. This is some pretty intense stuff.